Welcome back viewers. In this video I will show you how to sum in word table. So first you need to click directly inside the empty cell where you want the total sum to appear, typically at the bottom of the numeric column, or you can select the right end of the rows. And then you need to go to the top ribbon and click on the layout and click on the FX formula. Word will automatically deduct adjacent numbers and populate the formula box with the equal sign, sum, and left. However, if you find the formula field is blank or incorrect, for example, delete it, then you can go ahead to the paste function and select the sum and manually type left and put the equal sign. And now you can choose a display format from the number format drop down menu. And for example, if you select this option, the dollar sign will be inserted with the value. Or if you want zero decimal, then click on 0 and then click OK. The word will automatically generate the total. Similarly, if you want the calculation at the bottom of the numeric column, for this you need to click on that and go to the layout and click on the formula. And now this time you need to select the equal sign, sum and above, and select it to the 0. Click OK to proceed and edit it as. Make sure word tables do not automatically update totals when you edit numbers. Like you can see that if I change it to 166 and then head over that and right click and click on the update field, the sum will be updated. So this way you can easily sum in word table. If you